Guys, we are in downtown Toronto and we are going inside the Redpath sugar factory. Today they have open doors, which is a program in Toronto, and they let you see inside the building. So I'm hoping that we can see the sugar manufacturing process. So we'll just go inside and see how they make sugar. Hopefully it will be the complete process. They're giving cotton candy for free, and that's why the lineup is. But
Like from.
we don't want cotton candy, so we are just going to.
Do you want to see how they make the cotton candy?
Yeah, it's. I think it's there. Let me see. I think I have to go kind of behind to see. Here, maybe you can. Let's take a look here. So that I think that's the machine.
You know what? It is too hidden. We cannot really show. It's like cover, too much
Yeah,
cover.
that's the machine they're using to make the cotton candy, and there's some sugar samples right here. So let's keep going. I think we're going to enter here. Looks like it.
At that,
So
I'm thinking what is this?
Let me show you this, guys. I think this is where the stuff passes through. I'm not sure if it's the sugar or sugar cane, but we are going to go inside right now. Whoa, it's kind of dark here. Whoa, look at that. So much sugar here.
Oh, I think that is sugar, Daddy.
Yeah, all the sugar. It's too much sugar. Wow.
I can smell the sugar.
Looks like sand. Right?
Oh, this is also sugar.
And I can smell the sugar cane.
Yeah, that's right. But it's like a mountain of sugar.
Yeah. It kind of looks like sand or salt, but it's mountain of sugar.
They will process it, they will boil the sugar cane.
So guys, we just found out that that's it they're showing. Like, you know, this is kind of the end, and this is the only thing they're showing. I was hoping we could go inside, like, you know, those things, but they said they're not actually showing those. So this is the maybe we can go to the end and just have a quick look and then leave. So the sugar smell is really it kind of gets you, you know. You're just like, you know, smelling sugar, and it's a very strong smell.
There are hole. What is that for?
Yeah. I don't know what they do. Maybe there's something down, and then
I'm thinking they put the they put the sugar to the hole. I don't know.
Yep.